So I'm in the garden this morning doing some cleanup and also checking on my brassicas and seeing like to what extent I'm having some pest pressure that I need to address. My cabbage patch and my garden bed where I have my broccoli and bok choy and collards growing is just like doing fantastic. The way that I address the issues that I'm experiencing with aphids and other insects in that bed is I go through and I just, I'm checking the undersides of the leaves and just squashing whatever I find. But I don't like to use my bare hands because I don't know, I'm just a little squeamish when it comes to bugs. And so what I find it works well is using some garden gloves. This year, probably, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 months ago, I was at the hardware store and I saw these gloves. I thought that they would be useful because a lot of times when I'm doing stuff in the garden, sometimes the soil is wet or maybe it's raining or maybe I'm watering. And I find when I'm using regular gloves, your fingers can get really cold easily if you're, working in wet soil. So what I, wanted to share was that I've been using these waterproof gloves, and it has a very thick insulated material. The temperature this morning was in the low 40s. My fingers were not cold anymore. When I'm working in the wet soil, I didn't experience like any freezing of fingertips. And it worked really well for squashing the bugs. After I finished in the garden and come in the house and they were all dirty and also yucky from squashing bugs, I just sprayed some dishwashing liquid on them, rubbed it in really good, rinsed it off, patted them dry, and they look brand new again. But yeah, just wanted to come on and share that with you guys in case you're looking for something that, is waterproof and insulated for working in the garden when it's a little bit cooler out. So yeah, I like these though because like I said, they're insulated, they're waterproof, they're not really bulky, so you can still, do what you need to do. They're very flexible. Even though they're thick and insulated and waterproof, you can still move your fingers fairly easily in them. So it makes it very easy to work in when you're gardening, so not restrictive at all. So yeah, just wanted to come on and share that with you. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.